Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can run any GitHub project online. So we are not going to download anything. We are going to run the project from GitHub online. And I'm going to show you can run any kind of project, whether it is HTML, CSS, React, Next.js, or any Node.js project. So let's just go to any browser and let's say here a simple portfolio website, GitHub, and I will see some portfolio website here. So let me just choose this one, and here we have some portfolio website. Let's choose let's say this one. So I'm going to click here. So after coming here, one more thing that you need to make sure that you are logged in the GitHub. So after logging to the GitHub, just go to your certain GitHub project. So here you can see this is just a random project that I choose. And after going to your project, here you will see this fork option here, FORK. So you need to click on this option. So this is not my project, this is someone else project, and I'm going to copy this project in my own GitHub repository. So here you can see repository name. So you can give any random name over here, or you can keep the same name as well. After that, just go down and click here, create fork, and it will copy the project in your repository. So here you can see this is my GitHub account, Yamin Shakil. So in order to copy it, obviously you need to be logged in to the GitHub. So here you can see this project is now in my GitHub repository. So let me just go to my personal GitHub account, and I will see the project over here. Here you can see Gcard personal portfolio. If I now click on it, there you can see. So we want to run this project online. We do not want to download this and run it. Okay, so for it, what you need to do is that right now, open another tab and go to netlify.com. Just right over here, Netlify, and here you can see netlify.com. Click on this and it will take you to this page. So right now, what you need to do is that you need to sign up. So I already signed up in Netlify. So right now, I'm just going to click on login, and there you can see I am logged in. So after logged in, what you need to do is that you need to connect your GitHub account with Netlify. So I'm going to click here, import from GitHub, and here you can see let's deploy your project with GitHub. So I'm going to click on this option, and we need to connect our GitHub account with Netlify. So here you can see it will show you something like this, and here you can see authorize Netlify. So I'm going to click here, and you can trust Netlify without any worry, and there you can see authorize. So it will show you your GitHub account. So here you can see Yamin Shakil. I'm going to click here. So from here, select this option or repositories, then go down, and here you will see this install option. So click on install, and there you can see it is done, and it is showing me all the repositories over here. So right now what you need to do is that I'm just going to copy this name, which is vcard personal portfolio. Copy this and search it over here. There you can see, and it is showing me the repository. So right now I'm going to click on this, and over here team's name and a project name. So we're just going to keep everything empty. And one more thing, that is here you can see the branch to deploy, and our project is in the master branch. So if our project was in the main branch, then we need to select over here main branch. But since it is in the master branch, just select the master branch, then go down, and we're going to keep everything empty. We'll just go down, and here you can see deploy vcard personal portfolio. So we need to click here, and if we just keep it empty, Netlify will understand how to do. So we're going to just click here, and it will live our website. Here you can see project deploy in progress. So it will take a few seconds. Sometime it may take like 30 seconds to a minute, and there you can see it is done. So right now, if we click on this, and there you can see that certain repository is live, and we're able to see what it actually looks. And this is not our project, this is someone else's project. We were able to run without downloading this. There you can see. And if you want to change the name, you can do it as well. Here you can see quick setup. Just click here, and from here you will be able to change the name as well. Let's say here random name, let's say vcard personal portfolio. You can name it anything, and click here update project name, and it will update the name. Here you can see project name updated successfully. So I'm going to click here finish later, and there you can see the name changed over here. If I now click on this, we are able to see the website. So yeah, this is how you can run any project from GitHub. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.